What is up, guys? It's your boy Sammy. We back Monday morning. Yeah, that's it. But yeah, we're back. We're trying to see if we can find a trade today. This would be day 23 of me trying to become profitable day trader. Last week we didn't really we had a negative week last week, so we have to make up for this week. Start trying to be profitable. But let's get straight into it. Let's go. All right, so we're already in the middle of we're not in the middle of a trade yet, but it looks like we're respecting these confluences here. So let me see if we somehow manage to disrespect this fair value gap, this bullish fair value gap right here on the 1 minute, I'm taking the trade to the downside. I'll explain why right now. After this 1 minute. Alright, let me explain real quick. So our bias was bearish on the 1 hour and on the 4 hour time frames. Those are the high time frames. That was my bias bearish. I'll show y'all right now. And then as y'all can see here, we already had a drawn liquidity here, got swept out. It was this right here, this order block that I had made here on the 1 hour. We had this 1 hour high, we swept it out pre-market. So then we ended up making this this breaker block. And then we scaled to the 5 minute. We had seen a breaker structure happen already pre-market. But we have this fair value gap going on right here. It just got filled. It got filled here on the 5 minute. So now we're just seeing if we can break out of it. Honestly, if we end up breaking out of this fair value gap, we're gonna take that trade to the downside, and we're most likely gonna put our stop loss right above the fair value gap. But we'll give it a little bit of breathing room. We'll probably end up having it right close to the London session high as our stop loss. But first, we would have to see this fair value gap get filled completely, as in we'd have to break out of this fair value gap. Obviously, if we see it get close to breaking out, we'll be here on the 1 minute, and hopefully, well, honestly, we could probably, let me see. As long as we don't disrespect this fair value gap, we could be looking good. But if we do, our bias remains bearish, as we already we had this high drawn liquidity over here, and then we could potentially just use this fair value gap. Oh no, yeah, never mind. Or maybe we could just use the new lows as our break of structure. Hopefully we break, but right now we have this fair value gap working. As long as we don't disrespect it, we're still good. So let me go to the 1 minute. If we made a new low, yeah, we made a new low, bro. Yeah. So our new low would be this one on the 1 minute. As soon as we break this, we're in the trade, boys. As soon as we break this low, because we're about to make a new low. Yeah, bro, come on, it's fucking stupid. Oh no, that's not even a low. My bad. That's not even a low. My bad, chat. My bad. Our low's over here. Yeah. As long as we don't disrespect it, like I said. Over here on the S&P, we have this most recent low all the way over here. We would have to break structure all the way down here for us to even look for that a fair value gap and equilibrium chart and all that, etc. I'm just hoping that we don't disrespect this fair value gap, so that we can potentially fill it and take our trade for the day to the downside. And it looks like It did disrespect it. Fucking hell, man. It's fucking stupid. Alright, so our most recent low would be all the way down here now. This doesn't matter no more. Looks like we're coming back into this order block on the 1 hour. We would have to see a break of structure though on the 5 minute to even consider looking for a trade or an inverse fair value gap, but we see nothing. We can't even make a fair value gap here. We can't even make a fair value gap there. Are you fucking serious, man? Well, looks like we might end up taking out the draw on liquidity. I mean, we might end up taking out these highs again and then potentially reverse to the downside since our bias is bearish. But we'll see right now. We're patient. All right, guys, I'm back. Whole hour later, and I'm back. Now, excuse me. So I just let market play out. Obviously, our bias was bearish. So we're looking good right now. We're finally looking good for an entry. I know it's late, but if we close here, I'm most likely going to take the entry here to the downside. I just took entry, guys. So I took entry based off this equilibrium chart. We see it getting coming down, discounted price, and it most likely gonna close bearish here. I let it. Oh shit! I fucked up. Oh my god! I fucked up, guys. I fucked up. I thought this was a. Oh my god. Alright, talk good. Oh no, yeah. Look. We see this bullish for value gap. Disrespected it. Yeah, that's why we took the trade. Yeah, worked out. But yeah, our bias was bearish the whole time. Oh shit. Oh yeah. I was on the S&P. But yeah, Nasdaq. Look, 1 minute broke structure to the downside here. That's why we took the trade. But yeah, we took the trade. We're in at the price of 24,836. How the fuck did we manage to enter all the way down there? I have no idea. Bro, how the fuck do we enter so low all the time, bro? Doesn't make sense. 836. 830. Where's my thing? Oh my god, man. Where's 836, man? Fuck's sake. Damn, all the way down. Why is it always that we get the lowest point of the fucking thing? Fuck's sake. Man, where's 8? I can't fucking see shit with that. Alright, doesn't really matter. It does. Alright, cool. Damn, bro. We always enter fucking low. Doesn't make sense. We're literally at the bottom of the fucking candle. But talk good. I didn't want to miss out. But we finally entered. Wait, let me check if I'm recording. Yeah, I am. But yeah, we entered. We're most likely gonna get stopped out. Oh my god, man. Are you kidding me? Wow. Insane. Alright, just go to 1 minute. Fuck. Alright, we'll use that as our stop loss right there. This high. At this high over here, most likely at this high over here. And we'll target. What can we target here? I have no idea what we could possibly target. Potentially target all the way down here, maybe. It's unlikely though. Fuck. I don't like the. I mean, yeah, I do like the entry. This is a good entry. I mean, respected every single confluence, if I'm being honest. What else? But why? I don't understand why we entered so late. Why can't we enter up here? That's what I don't understand. Did we not see it earlier? Nah, we had barely seen it on this candlestick right here. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, this is huge. This is huge, chat. Guys, this is huge right here. Bro, we need to find the target. I have no targets, guys. What the fuck? Let's say our stop loss would be up here. We gotta hit at least a 101. We can target maybe this low all the way down here. Because I have no targets, bro. 24,788. Or we can target this low down here. Right here. Yeah. We'll just target that right there for a 101. We'll target a 101, guys. It's because I have no idea what we want to target here. I'm like 24,780. 24,780. 24,780. 24,780. 20 limit by 5 at 24,780. Most likely I'll put it like right there, 782. Yeah, right there. 24,782. That's our take profit right there. 24,782. That's fine. Down there will most likely be our take profit, guys. Honestly, I have no take profit. I mean that was gonna be my take profit right here, but you know, from last week I get flashbacks where we missed it by 1 tick. So every time we enter a trade now, we'll make sure to 2 ticks before, so that we make sure to hit that shit. Nah, but yeah, that's our bias. Our bias was bearish the whole time. I already explained the why. It took us a minute to look for the confluences to get hit, but they finally got hit. Like I said, we had built this equilibrium chart. We had actually built a fair value gap right here. Where was it? Right here. But we disrespected it. But I wasn't really too keen on that because we had seen this equilibrium chart. We got discounted price up here. We finally closed bearishly, and hopefully we just hit our target for the take profit and call it a day, you know. But here, oh, actually I could use this. No. What I do want to see is a fair value gap, or maybe we could use this fair value gap right here as our, maybe this bullish fair value gap. But if that's the case, or maybe we could use this bearish fair value gap up here. Yeah, we could potentially use that. But I'm still sticking with the same take profit, guys. Even if we use, I'll probably most likely use this bearish fair value gap. See, y'all see my dog? We'll probably most likely use this take profit at still, so we can hit a. I want to be targeting 1.5s and above, but I'll be happy with this take profit for the day, since my stop loss is kind of off today. I'm not sure where exactly I want to put my stop loss at. I originally wanted it at this high over here, where we got the liquidity sweep right here, but I'll most likely, honestly, where we got the liquidity sweep over here, that will most likely be our stop loss at the liquidity sweep. So yeah, we're most likely risking $420 to make around $550. Wait, chat, did we hit already? No, we haven't hit. We're so close though. We already hit a 101. That's all I know for sure. But I don't know if I should just click the X. Guys, should I click the X, guys? Fuck. No, we can't. We can't. We gotta make sure to hit our TP. No. Oh shit, but we do have a new stop loss though. Most likely we're gonna make a new stop loss over here. Did we come all the way down here on the S&P? No, we didn't, bro. Fuck. Should we call it? Should we call it here, chat? Oh, no. We can't call it no more. Fuck. No. Bro, we were so close to hitting the TP. Look. Oh, my God. We were at 787. We're at 782. That's our take profit, 782. Wow, bro. That's insane. But at least now, I know for a fact that we're not going to lose no more since we have a new stop loss over here. So honestly, at this point, oh, let's go, baby! Hey, let's go! Hey, don't get emotional, but we hit our TP, boys. Let's go. Bias was right. Everything was right. Damn, bro, I was on point today, guys. And I have a fresh cut, too. I'm looking fresh. And my dog's right there. Y'all can see him. Rio. TP got hit, though. I made sure we got... So, yeah, I already explained why we took this trade. Although it was a late trade, it was, I mean, all the confluences got hit but late, so that, which is why we took a while to take this trade. But, like I said, our bias was bearish. We had swept out the liquidity sweep over here. We had swept it out. And, yeah, that was a trade. We took a profit of... Bro, are you serious, man? Get up. Get up. My bad, guys. My dog, bro, is annoying. Alright, so we took a profit of $536. Damn, bro, that's our biggest dub to this day. I think that's my biggest dub ever, actually. Like, actually, that might be my biggest dub ever since I started trading in these past 4 months, which is insane. Wow, my biggest dub. I'm proud of myself, guys. I'm proud of myself. Nah, but we gotta keep this consistency, because I could get this and then lose 500 and then lose 6. Like, it's just about being consistent, you know. But if we want to make a recap about this, our bias was bearish based off the high time frames, like I said at the beginning of the video. And then I literally went to go cook. I ate and everything, like. But then I was looking at the charts on my phone, and I saw that the 5 minute was looking good. So we finally got that. We didn't get that break of structure, but we did disrespect this. Let me show y'all. We did disrespect this bullish fair value gap right here. Where is it? Right here. I was waiting for this to get disrespected, actually. We disrespected it with this candlestick. So then that doesn't matter no more. So now we're looking for that third confluence, which is a equilibrium chart, a fair value gap, or a breaker block / order block. But since we didn't break structure, we can't look for that. So we have to just focus on the fair value gap or equilibrium chart in this case. So we had seen this, but it got disrespected over here. So we're like, nah, this fair value gap's not gonna work. But I did see this equilibrium chart get formed. We got discounted price, and boom, we broke out of it. Scaled to the 1 minute while it was happening. And then we did end up breaking structure. Although I think I took it late. I literally caught the bottom of the candlestick, which is fucking annoying because, I mean, to be fair, it did close. It did close. It did close there. So I was going to end up getting that price. But, and then our stop loss was most likely going to be where the liquidity sweep had happened. So, which was over here. But yeah. That was it, guys. Let's go, baby. Huge dub today. That's my biggest dub so far, me trading on this funded account. Hopefully we keep this consistency all week, because obviously I just want to become profitable already. I know it's going to take some time, like I said. It could take me a year, 2 years, 3 years. I have no idea, you know. But consistency is what matters. We got this dub today, Monday morning. Hopefully tomorrow, Tuesday, we take a dub. But we're starting off the week strong, which is all that matters. And looks like S&P is following through as well. It's following behind the NASDAQ. But yeah, that was it, guys. That was today's trade. Day 23. Let's go. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. That was day 23 of me trying to become profitable day trader. Huge dub today, as you guys saw. If you guys stayed all the way, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys leave a like, comment, subscribe, and peace.